Hello and welcome back. I'll start with the usual disclaimer as always. Nothing here is for sale. There are no courses, there are no mentorships, affiliates, or anything else. There aren't even ads on the YouTube videos. The only link you'll find is to my Discord. That'll be in the description. And in my Discord, there's nothing else but trading talk and links to my videos. So with that over, let's just get right to it. We're not gonna start on Bloomberg today because it's Sunday. We're gonna do a SR redraw on a lot of pairs because a lot of pairs have been blown out by the breakout trading I've been posted. This 12-hour trade I posted on the USD NOK, we're not gonna redraw because that would make absolutely no fucking sense. We're in the trade, okay? We're not gonna review the dollar index by nothing. This is purely a redraw where we see it fit. So here, obviously, there's new highs. We can't trade on this, so I'm going to attempt a redraw. At some pairs, because the breakout market has been lasting for months on end now, we're going into the fourth month where there's just breakout after breakout after breakout. It's getting quite difficult to redraw because I have to go further back. When I say more difficult, it's not more intricate, but the SR areas become less trustworthy because newer information is always king. And when I have to keep going back like this, it becomes less and less trustworthy. Looks like an alright area. Yeah. Yes, the best we're gonna get here. Not really too attractive. Yeah, this one. I'm gonna add something at the bottom on this one. Like mentioned earlier, even though we needed a double tap, if there's a strong, like super strong reaction, shalom, to a single area, like we saw here, bam, volume just blew it right out. Oh, sorry. I'll just mark it. That's only if it's an ATL or ATH. All right, let's keep going. Something here. But do we really need that? Yes, we do. Is that a double? No. Yeah, so this is technically valid, but that will be inflation. We need thinner areas here. This is valid but weak. The reason it's weak is because we're doing candle body with candlestick when we know stick isn't as strong. Stick again though. But in the hierarchy of things, you want to go with body, stick, and then congestion. Congestion being the weakest. So if you got a double top body, that's great. Tap, tap, tap. No. Absolutely not. Okay. Again, these are becoming increasingly straight up gay. Do I trust these levels? Going back years and years. Oof. I mean, again, ATL, strong reaction to it. We can mark it. There's definitely volume there. I don't know how much I trust it. This market has been great though. Can't complain. No, this one's fine. Is this the ATL one? I'm not gonna go back to like the 80s to find some level. Fuck that. That's not valid. Oh, it's looking nice. Oh, holy shit. With all the redrawing we're doing, that means I drew this not long ago. So you can see how much this has been blown out. Fuck. It's a new ATL one? Yeah. Oh yeah, it is the ATL one. Yeah. We got 2 ATL pairs, I believe. Or we got 1 ATL, 1 ATH. These are looking fine, to be honest. Yeah, this one is actually kind of mismatched a little bit. Because we want the body with the stick. I want to ignore this older stick. Because the newer one is always what matters. This is fine, but oh fuck, it's not the best area though. Oh shit. Nope, not going back that long. This one can just explode. With some of these pairs, we're just gonna have to wait for it to rearrange. Create a new range that we can draw on. It's not tradable for me right now. And that might sound doomy and gloomy and whatever. No, it's really good. It's really good. That's why we did 8% overnight. I mean, I wasn't in that because I can't. I got a 10% limit, but if you were taking every trade, you did 8% overnight. So if you're doing 8% in a night, you can take 2 months off. You can not give a shit. Don't worry. There is no hurry. There are even like months I take off. I've been more active now that I'm uploading these, but pre-upload, I'd be like, nah, I don't like this month. And I would just go to Mexico. I don't know. Adios. Scenario right here. Yeah, you can see you congesting on it as well. Okay. Also, when I'm redrawing, I don't have time to open it up for you. Give you all the levels. It would take too long. You're just going to have to learn how to draw yourself. You won't be the best at it, but if you're consistent with drawing, this is a double can right here, but not trustworthy. Can't draw on this. But if you draw consistently, you'll learn how to redraw. Oh, this is congested as shit. Let's get to it. Let's go for the bottom area first. Let's get to the top one. This is the highest I see relevancy in. And then we need something lower here. Some strong reaction. And then some lower levels. Yeah, we're going to have to go back in time, like Back to the Future. Without the car, though. Without the car. It's a good movie, though. It's not the best levels. Let me see how it's looking. What about this? Oh, that's better. Yeah, that's fine. Oh, it's actually really hitty. Yeah, I think we're good with this one. Goddamn, last month, but I can't wait for fucking October to start. Damn, son, I want to trade. Fuck is this? Fuck out of here. Yeah, forget about it. This needs to start ranging again, like pop up, down a little bit. I need to give it like a month or something. I don't know. But that's fine. We got plenty of pairs to trade. And if we can't find trades, like let's say next week starts, there's nothing, whatever. Who gives a shit? We're not here for the short term. I've been doing this, like I said, many times for over 10 years. This is all I do. I don't have a fucking job. Unemployed as fuck. So, we're here for the long term. And not for any short-term gains. So let's try to get top and bottom. When I say top, I don't mean the very top. Top of what I see is relevant. I don't consider any drawings up here because I don't think this candle is gonna go straight up there. I mean, it fucking could, but the chance of that happening is near zero, non-existent. This is so messy. This is so messy because these levels are here, but they're broken and they're broken again, and they're. That's so fine. Here we need a new high. Oh, that's a nice one. Because the 200 MA works like a SR area, so we already got a double hit here, or a double reinforcement, and it's coming in to hit with this one. It's not the strongest point we got, but it's nice in terms of how it's moving. What the fuck? What the fuck is... Oh, okay. I didn't see these, so I was like, what? But honestly, we have to readjust for newer times. Let me see. Yeah, okay. This is all fine. We don't draw on this one. Gold needs to rearrange. Can actually remove all indicators with your gold. And yeah. Well, we don't draw that one either. Yeah, let's just see how this one develops in the opening week. If you're in this one, you shouldn't have moved your SL at all yet. See how it develops. I kind of expect it to go a little bit up, though, going into the next week, but that's just pure speculation. Who gives a shit? We'll see. Even if this smashes to your sell loss, that doesn't matter. That's good, actually. You did a good trade. You had a good entry. Everything was valid. You had an indecision candle. You entered at the below the low. Sorry, below the low of the candle's close, and your sell loss is comfortably above its closing high. So that's all good. Your R is good. Like mentioned on this one, you can do 1.5 as well because you're fully milking the range here. But you're with the trend. The piece of shit is going down. This is crashing, so it's not crashing. Don't take my that's the wrong way to articulate it. It's going down, so you can do that. But that's all I got for now. Thank you for watching. If you got any questions about anything in the video or anything else from previous videos, TFA, I don't give a shit. You can leave a comment. You can join the Discord. It's in the description. Beyond that, I got nothing else. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.